Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Press hands and stretch your legs. Lift one leg and lengthen your body. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Lower your chest and stretch shoulders. Fold forward and stretch your back body. Flap knees gently and stretch hips. Reach up and stretch your side body. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Sit tall and lengthen your spine. Lift hips and stretch the front body. Rock gently and stretch your hips. Lift legs and gently stretch them. Hug knees and soften your lower back. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch one leg slowly and carefully. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Relax fully and enjoy gentle stretching. Lift halfway and stretch your spine. Sink gently and stretch your hips. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stand tall and gently lengthen your body. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.